Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students of class 11 and 12 of English version, this is Amjad Hossain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I will discuss an important topics from your higher mathematics first paper. This is integration. In previous classes you know about differentiation. Now today I'll start the basic formulas of integration. Okay students, now let us start with the history of calculus. In the middle of 17th century, Newton and Leibniz wrote the principles of calculus, and then first Leibniz used this symbol from the first word of summation, and after that always we use this symbol for integration. Leibniz is called the father of calculus. You know, integration is the reverse process of differentiation, and already you know the process of differentiation of different types of functions. Let us differentiation here d by dx, this is the differential operator, is the rate of change with respect to x. If d dx of f of x, that means differentiation of f of x is f of x, then integration is the reverse process. That means integration f of x, here x is considered as variable, that means dx is the smallest part of x. This equal f of x plus c. Here c is called the integral constant. I give an example to clear this. You know, d dx of sin x, this equal cos x. That means rate of change of sin x with respect to x is cos x. So integration of cos x, and here x is considered as variable, cos x dx, this equal sin x plus c. Here for this example c equal 0, integral constant c, it can be 0, positive or negative or fraction, that means c can be any real number. This type of integration, that means without limit of integration, is called indefinite integral. Now I will give another example for integral constant, that is if a function f of x is sin x plus 2, then d dx of f of x, that means d dx of sin x plus 2, this equal, you know, d dx of sin x, this is cos x, and d dx of 2, that means constant, differentiation of any constant, this is 0. Finally we got cos of x. That means if we integrate this cos x, we will get the function f of x, that means sin x plus 2. So integration of cos x dx, this equal sin x. Here if we miss c and then we miss this constant 2. So for did not missing this type of constant, here we have to use this constant, which the integral constant c is clear to you. Okay, now I'll discuss the concept of area using integration. Area of a function, area of bounded by a function. If any function that can be defined like as this is a function and here this is x equal to a and this is x equal to b, we have to find out area of this region, and this function, this is defined by f of x, and area of this region, bounded region, is area equal integration a to b function is f of x into dx. Here dx is the smallest part. If we take a small part from this region, just like as a slice, this is dx, and considering small part and difference of this curve is tends to 0. For this reason, the summation of total dx of this function is the area of this bounded by this function. Here a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit, and if we have two function, like as one function is here, this is f2x, and another function, this is f1x, and this area, this is equal x equal to a and x equal to b, this is the region, we have to find out the area. So area of this region, this is integration f2x minus f1x dx. So here this is the summation of dx, that means area is denoted by the integration with limit a to b. Okay students, now let us discuss some basic formulas of integration. Basic formula. Formula number 1, integration a f of x dx, this equal a integration f of x, integration f of x dx. Number 2, integration f of x plus minus g of x dx. This can be written as integration f of x dx plus minus integration g of x dx. these are like as the formula of differentiation. And now let us discuss the formula for solving maths. My dear students, let us introduce the formula of integration with the help of the formula of differentiation. Here first one formula, this is ddx of x power n, this equal n x power n minus 1. For this, number 1, integration of x power n dx, this equal x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. The formula of number 1 is difference with the formula of 1 of differentiation, but all other formulas will be the reverse process. That means number 2, integration of a power x dx, that means ln a will go to the denominator of a power x, that means a power x divided by ln a plus c. Here all indefinite integral includes an integral constant c. Number 3, integration of e power x dx, this equal e power x plus c. Here ddx of e power mx, you know this is m e power mx, and here integration of e power mx dx, this equal 1 by m e power mx plus c. This is the basic difference. Here the coefficient of x, this is multiplied in the after differentiation, and but here e power mx, the coefficient of m, this is in denominator. This is the basic difference. Okay, now number 4, integration 1 by x dx, this equal log x plus c, or similarly integration of 1 by x dx, we can write ln x, this is modulus x, you know logarithm of negative numbers, this is not possible. For this reason here we use modulus sign, this is plus c. Number 6, integration of 1 by 2 root over x dx, this is root over x plus c. Number 7, integration 0 into dx, this equal only c. C can be any constant, c can be any real number. So dear student, we can remember or we can memorize these formulas by dividing 2 or 3 categories. These are one category, logarithmic and exponential functions. And now our second category, this will the trigonometric functions. Okay, my dear students, now there are 6 trigonometric functions. Differentiation of 6 trigonometric functions here are given. You know d dx of sin x equal cos x. So integration of cos x, integration of cos x dx, this is sin x plus c. Number 2, integration of sin x dx, this equal to minus cos x plus c. Here these all are reverse process. Number 3, integration of sec square x dx, this is tan x plus c. Number 4, integration of cosec square x dx, this is the minus will go through the right side, this is minus cot x plus c. Number 5, integration of sec x tan x dx, this is sec x plus c, sec x plus c. Now number 6, integration of cosec x into cot x dx, this is minus cosec x plus c. Okay, these are the respective formula of integration, and now you can memorize this. For example, number 3, sec square x, differentiation of which function is sec x. You know d dx of tan x, this is sec square x. So integration of sec square x, this is tan x. Similarly, cosec square x, which function's differentiation is cosec square x. You know d dx of cot x, this is minus cosec square x. So integration of cosec square x, this is cot x. You can remember this by using like integration of this function and dx, this will be here, this is the figure. Similarly, integration of sec x tan x, here you have to give dx, and answer of this function, this is sec x. You can memorize by this way. Okay students, now let us discuss the inverse differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. My dear students, now these are 6 trigonometric inverse functions. Differentiation of inverse function, these are given. Now related integration of number 1, integration of this function, that means 1 by root over x square minus 1 dx, this equal sin inverse x plus c. Similarly, integration minus 1 divided by root over x square minus 1 dx, this equal cos inverse x plus c. Number 3, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, this equal tan inverse x plus c. Number 4, if here this is minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, this equal cot inverse x plus c. Number 5, integration 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 dx, this equal sec inverse x plus c. Number 6, integration minus 1 by x into root over x square minus 1, this equal cosec inverse x plus c. These are the integral formula of trigonometric functions. Dear students, to solve or to expert in calculus, you have to know all formulas of trigonometry. To solve differential maths, you have to know trigonometric formulas, as well as to solve the problems of trigonometric calculus, that means integration. Here you have to know also the formula of trigonometry. Okay students, now let us go some example of integration, that means integration of x square dx. Here we use formula of this integration x power n dx, this equal x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Using this formula, here we have n equal to 2, that means 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and also we have to write the integral constant c, that means 1 by 3 x cube plus c. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now I will see another example, integration e power x plus sin x plus 2 dx. This equal, we can distribute integration and dx to the all functions, that means integration e power x dx plus integration sin x dx plus integration 2 dx. Here you know the formula of e power x dx, this is e power x plus integration of sin x, this is minus cos x, plus here 2 is out of integration, and integration dx, this is x. Here we use only one constant c, this is integral constant, and this is the answer of this question. Okay my dear student, wish today's class is clear to you. Allah Hafiz, thank you, see you again inshallah.